So today I'm making egusi. Now, there are several ways to make egusi, but today I will be doing the frying method, okay? First, I'm gonna start off by heating up a good quantity of palm oil. Then I'm using some of the stock from my boiled meat to some grounded egusi, all right? Then I'm gonna just fry up some onions just a little bit and add my egusi puree to the heated up palm oil. And then I just keep adding more stock to it till I feel like it's fried to my satisfaction. I would suggest frying it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, I blended up some tomatoes, bell peppers, habanero peppers, and onions and added it into it. Next, I'm adding some grounded crayfish and then add some seasoning to your liking. I'm using smoked turkey, tripe, cow feet beef, and some specially smoked mackerel. Let it all simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want to make sure that your egusi is well cooked, okay? Next, I'm adding some spinach. And yes, it's already coming together, looking good. Cover it up for about 5 minutes. Yes, and we're done. Voila. Looks so pretty, right? And it tastes just as good. Thank you guys again for watching. Later.